Okay, so this is chapter 13, example 7. We should have just learned a bit about definite integrals. And example 7 is asking me to evaluate this. Now, evaluate basically means just work out. So if we see that, don't panic. It doesn't mean anything too special. It just means work out the answer. Now, what we notice here, we've got x to the power of third minus 1 all squared. Now, the first thing you need to do is square that bracket. My advice, always write the bracket out twice and expand those brackets, but we are going to get from that the integral between 1 and 0 of x to the power of 2/3 minus 2x to the power of third plus 1 with respect to x. So we're now going to integrate this. So remember, we'll increase the power by 1 and then divide by the new power. So increase the power by 1 is going to be 5/3. Divide by that, remember dividing by 5/3 is the same as times in by 3/5. Increase the power by 1 is 4/3. Divide by 4/3 is the same as times in by 3/4. So that's going to give you minus 6/4, or we could write minus 3/2 x to the power of 4/3. Remember, this is just going to give me a plus x, and now because it's a definite integral, remember I don't need that plus c. This expression goes into a square bracket with the values of 1 and 0. So now I'm going to plug 1 into wherever the x is here. So this is going to give me 1 to the power of 5/3 is just going to be 1, and in fact 1 to the power of anything is 1. So this is going to be 3/5 minus 3/2 plus 1. And from that whole expression, we need to write these in brackets because otherwise we might make some computational errors with the signs. So do make sure you write that in brackets. Well, actually, this is going to be 0, 0, 0. Like that. So we just have to do this sum here, subtract nothing, but obviously in most cases we would have some numbers to subtract, and that is going to end up giving me the answer of 1/10.